heading after high school? This is a question on the minds of all teenagers and their families. Deciding what career path is right for you usually involves input from both family and friends. A safe answer for many is to simply say, "I'm going to college." Our society accepts that answer as a good one, and it will keep people from bothering you. However, research shows that nearly 40% of students that attend college after high school do not graduate, and approximately half of those that do earn their bachelor's degree never work in the field connected to their major.
For many high school students like you, simply declaring that you plan to go to college is a trap because that plan does not provide the opportunity to explore life after high school from a realistic perspective. It does not allow you to discover what special talents you have and how to match your talents and interests with skills that are needed in the modern marketplace. What if you didn't have to wait until you graduate from high school to begin your career pathway? What if you could begin that journey right now? Well, we are happy to tell you that you can. A growing number of high school students just like you right here in Allegheny County, across Pennsylvania and across the nation have done just that by choosing a career and technical education program as part of their high school curriculum.
Are you creative and enjoy art? Would you like to learn how to design amazing images, illustrations, or photographs using modern digital technology? The Advertising and Design program provides instruction in basic graphic design using computers, cameras, and the latest Adobe software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You will develop the entry-level skills needed in the workforce in graphic design, photography, illustration, and print production. The state-of-the-art lab is equipped with a Mac lab, drawing tablets, and various digital cameras. Students learn how to produce their designs in the production room, equipped with high-quality printers, laminators, and finishing equipment used in the industry. Students also gain valuable experience in customer service, branding, and project presentation. Along with the opportunity to earn college credits in some colleges, students can gain an industry certification in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. From designing a logo to printing your design on a t-shirt, you can apply your creativity and technical knowledge to the types of projects that happen in the marketing and communications industry.
Steel Center is preparing me to learn the software and principles of graphic design to further my education before college.
What made me pick advertising design in the first place was actually my interest in drawing and painting, but as I joined the class and I got into it a bit more, I realized that it was much more. We learned printing, photography, marketing, customer service, and a lot more things that could help you with a bunch of fields that you thought you'd never be interested in.
The Automotive Technology program provides students with technical knowledge and skills to engage in the servicing and maintenance of all types of automobiles and light trucks. The curriculum and instruction includes diagnosis and testing, including computer analysis of malfunctions in and repair of engines, fuel, electrical, cooling and brake systems, and drivetrain and suspension systems. Instruction is also given in the adjustment and repair of individual components and systems, such as cooling systems, drivetrains, fuel system components, and air conditioning. Students will receive training to obtain a Pennsylvania safety inspection and emission certification for auto light truck, among other credentials that are needed in the industry.
What I like best about the Automotive Technology program is the teacher. I just think he does an amazing job at really opening my mind up to the opportunities with automotive technology and just how it all works basically.
Last year, me and 2 other people did an engine swap on a Chevy, just learning about all the different parts and stuff and actually taking it out and putting it back in. And it really opened my eyes about I can actually do this and make a career out of it.
Have you ever heard the phrase, "success is sweet"? Well, that has never been truer than when entering a career in baking and pastry arts. The Baking and Pastry Chef program exposes students to a number of career paths in the hospitality industry while training on top-of-the-line commercial baking equipment. You can learn to produce, package, and merchandise baked goods such as cakes, cookies, pies, tarts, and breads. Learn in a real-world setting, as products created in our program are used for catered functions and sold at our Steel Center Cafe. Students also work toward earning industry certifications, such as the National Restaurant Association's ServSafe, which stresses the importance of food safety and promotes employability. So if you have an artistic flair, enjoy learning the science behind baking, and think you might prefer a fast-paced, hands-on career, then this might be the right path for you. A career in this industry can take you all over the world, working in hotels, country clubs, or even on cruise ships. If this fits you, then take the next step and start your journey in the Baking and Pastry Chef program here at Steele Center.
What I loved is learning the chemistry of baking and how everything goes into it. And after school, I'm planning to go to the Culinary Institute of America and see what it takes me from there.
The Building Trades program provides students with the technical knowledge and skills to maintain facilities and to keep buildings functioning. Graduates are trained to serve a variety of structures, including commercial and industrial buildings and mobile homes. Curriculum and instruction include the basics of carpentry, millwork, plumbing, painting, glazing, electricity, plastering, welding, minor sheet metal, concreting, bricklaying, tile setting, hardware usage, heating, ventilation, waterproofing, roofing, and record keeping.
Steele Center preparing me to be a construction manager because I have more experience now, obviously, because I've been here for 3 years. It just helps me have an idea what it's gonna be like in the future. I know how to do all this stuff, but Steele Center taught me how to do it right. That's about it, because I was doing it with my family, and I'm not using as much equipment and material as I'm using here and using it right.
If there's one thing that Southwestern PA needs, it is reliable workers to take the place of retiring carpenters and tradesmen. These are very rewarding, well-paying careers that are only limited by the fear of hard work. In their 3 years here, students will be shown how to be an excellent candidate to move on to the next phase of a career in the carpentry field. A strong focus on these 4 things will be most valuable to a carpentry-focused graduate. These are safety, math, measuring, and efficiency. Students can earn a ladder safety certificate and OSHA 10 certificate. Steele Center has an open pathway to the Carpenters Union as an option to graduate as well. Theory is taught using the 2020 Cengage 7th edition carpentry textbook using an online LMS as well as Canvas. Classes are part theory and part shop work.
If I had to tell a 9th or 10th grader to join this program, I'd say it teaches you a trade and also a good life skill to have.
What I like best about carpentry is that I'm able to work with my hands, I'm picking up skills as I go, my teacher's just absolutely amazing. I feel that Steele Center has really prepared me so far. I'm learning how to use tools really well, measuring, math for carpentry. It's just been very helpful, and I find that it's going to help me a lot with my future career.
The Collision Repair and Refinishing program prepares students to apply technical knowledge and skills to repair damaged automotive vehicles such as automobiles and light trucks. Students learn to examine damaged vehicles and estimate cost of repairs, remove, repair and replace upholstery, accessories, electrical and hydraulic window and seat operating equipment, and trim to gain access to vehicle body and fenders, remove and replace glass, repair dented areas, replace excessively damaged fenders, panels and grills, straighten bent frames or unibody structures using hydraulic jacks and pulling devices, and file, grind, and sand repaired surfaces using power tools and hand tools. Students refinish repaired surfaces by painting with primer and finish coat.
The thing I like best about collision repair are the people and how we can all work together. It's very beneficial to basically everyone that comes, no matter what career you choose here or what path you want to go down. In the future, this program will always be there. The career will always be there.
Do you have a passion for computers, technology, and learning new and exciting things? Would you like to gain knowledge and learn skills that will open up doors for you in the high-end demand field of information technology? Our computer technology program prepares students to apply basic engineering principles and technical skills in support of professionals who use computer systems. This program includes instruction in basic computer design and architecture, programming, problems of specific computer application, component and system maintenance and inspection procedures, hardware and software problem diagnosis, and repair and report preparation. Students learn teamwork and other employability skills as they become prepared for industry credentials such as CompTIA Network Plus, CompTIA A+, and CompTIA Security Plus certification. You can be ready for entry-level work in the field as well as continuing your education as you find your very own pathway to success.
What made me choose this course was probably because I want to become a software engineer. It goes back really to the basics, what they're really teaching us, like really how to build the computer itself, really breaking down each of the parts going into the computer, and it's really preparing me to have the basic knowledge that I will need to be prepared for college.
Do you love helping others to look and feel good and have a passion for hair, makeup, and style? Can you imagine yourself working in a fun environment with a wide variety of people? Our cosmetology program might be exactly what you are looking for. Students in this program prepare for rewarding careers through our curriculum, which includes anatomy and physiology, infection control, chemistry, electricity/light therapy, hairstyling, hair cutting and shaping, hair coloring, chemical texture services, scalp treatments, hair treatments, skincare treatments, cosmetics application, and nail technology services. Students also learn the basics in professional ethics, communication skills, licensing requirements and laws, business management, concepts, and client record keeping. These skills will help you become a successful cosmetologist. Students also gain valuable experience by practicing real-world services through our salon clinic, which is open to the public 2 days a week. You'll test and perfect your techniques on mannequins, classmates, and the general public. Students who attend this program must earn 1,250 hours of state-regulated course requirements to take the state licensing exam to be a licensed cosmetologist. So if this sounds like you, come on and let's get started.
The more I started playing with makeup and hair, I started realizing this is what I want to do. I'm having fun. I'm going to graduate with my cosmetology license and I will be able to do everything in a full service salon, and that's pretty cool. And I will be able to work anywhere in PA.
Everyone eats, but not everyone knows how to cook. So if you love food and hospitality, put yourself in demand and begin your pathway to success in our culinary arts program. Cooking is a skill needed everywhere. Wherever there are hungry people, there's a need for professional cooks. This is something you can do. Train to be an executive chef, restaurant owner, food critic, private chef, or a food scientist. Whatever your ambition is, our culinary arts program will help you get there. You will receive hands-on training with industry equipment in banquet, buffet, and a la carte styles of food preparation. The class curriculum will give you the basic skills you need to jumpstart your career. Earn industry standard certifications such as your ServSafe Manager Certificate. Receive college credit for culinary programs in the Pittsburgh area. According to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of food and beverage serving and related workers is projected to grow 10% from 2019 to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations. So come learn how to turn hard work into a rewarding future and get your career cooking at Steele Center.
I grew up in the kitchen, and it was one of my favorite things to do, going over to my grandma's house and just cooking, baking cookies and stuff. Just my past influenced me to dig into that more and go to school for it.
Our electrical construction program prepares students to install, operate, maintain, and repair electrically energized residential, commercial, and industrial systems, and DC and AC motors, controls, and electric distribution panels. Curriculum and instruction emphasizes practical application of mathematics, science, circuit diagrams, and use of electrical codes, and includes blueprint reading, sketching, and other subjects essential for employment in the electrical occupations, reading and interpretation of commercial and residential construction wiring codes and specifications, installation and maintenance of wiring, service and distribution networks within large construction complexes, are also critical components of the program. Graduates will be able to pursue a range of career options, from becoming a line worker, residential or commercial electrician, telecommunications, and an industrial electrician. You can learn all the basics of these electrical fields in Steel Center's electrical construction program. According to the U.S. News and World Report, the electrician career field is the number 4 in the highest paying job without a degree, the number 16 in best job without a college degree, and is number 92 out of 100 best jobs in America.
The reason I picked electrical construction is because I already had a really big interest in electricity since I was really young. Electrical construction, from all the research that I did and asking people that were already here, talk to me about how intricate everything is. I heard it's a really serious class and it's a really challenging class, but it's really nice in the end because you have so much more knowledge than some other class that might not be as challenging.
This is in major demand as opposed to just going to college and getting some sort of 4-year degree, which I think everyone is doing now pretty much. And if you don't end up becoming an electrician, it'll give you skills you can have for the rest of your life, even if you do something else, you always know, hey, this is wrong with my outlet, I'll know how to fix it, stuff like that. It will give you basic skills to use for the rest of your life.
Do you have a passion for health, fitness, and helping others? How would you like to begin a career pathway into the high-demand medical field? Our Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation Professions program is your place to start. The curriculum includes strength and high-intensity training, weight management, nutrition, resistance training, exercise programming, exercise physiology, mental health and wellness, anatomy and physiology, pathophysiology, injury recognition and management, rehabilitation and restorative care, and medical terminology. Students will be prepared to enter the workforce as a physical therapy aide, occupational therapy aide, or certified personal trainer, as well as to go on to college to continue their education in fields such as athletic training, physical therapy, occupational therapy, and other health and fitness-related fields. Students will learn teamwork and other employability skills as they become prepared for industry credentials such as physical therapy aide certification, certified personal trainer, and American Heart Association Basic Life Support CPR.
We learn so much in the 2.5 hours that we're here, but we also just learn through experience, through doing it. We get to use all the equipment, actually see in real time what's going on with one person's body when they do this versus that. Just the class itself, we are just so excited about it. So we're ready for new people to come and be like, okay, jump on board, let's go.
Do you want to become a member of the fastest growing and most demanded job industry? Do you have a passion to care for others? Do you want to have opportunities to change people's lives? Our Health Assistant program will prepare you for a healthcare career focused on inpatient settings and enable you to become a certified nursing assistant or a patient care technician. This program will provide you with a solid foundation to become a successful health professional. You will have the opportunity to participate in a variety of hands-on lab and clinical experiences, as well as job shadowing opportunities. The theory portion of the class will provide you the foundation needed to be successful in any college health professions major of study. If your dream is to become a healthcare professional in a hospital or a skilled nursing setting to care for others, then Steel Center's Health Assistance program is a perfect match for you.
What made me pick the program is I thought that I would have a lot of opportunities that come with it, and I get my CNA certification at the end of the program. And what I was thinking was, even if I don't want to go to a 4-year college, I can even do technical college, go for 2 years, and get a regular position at the hospital as an RN or something.
What I like best about health assistants is that everyone is really nice, and I really like it because in the future I want to become a registered nurse, and this program really has helped me through understanding what it takes to become a nurse.
Do you want a career that keeps you from being stuck in an office every day? Do you want a career that pays well and will always be in demand? Then maybe a career in HVAC is for you. In this program, you will learn how to install and service both residential and commercial HVAC equipment. You will have the opportunity to obtain your EPA 608 and OSHA 10 certifications. The knowledge and skills you learn will prepare you for a career that will always be in demand. Why? Because while other construction jobs may fluctuate with the economy, HVAC jobs will not. All buildings and houses require some type of heating and/or cooling. With the skills learned while attending Steele Center, you will be ready for a high-paying career in HVAC.
Everything seemed more hands-on than the program that I was going to choose. I have my EPA certifications, I have my OSHA 10. Whenever I enter the workforce, I have all my certifications to start immediately, as well as the knowledge too.
Are you interested in an exciting and rewarding career in the medical field? Would you like to work in an exciting and challenging job in a high-demand outpatient healthcare setting? Our Medical Professions program will help you do just that and prepare you to become a well-rounded professional by providing a solid knowledge base as well as hands-on training. You will learn nursing skills, phlebotomy, EKG, pharmacology, medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, and emergency care. The course may include job shadowing and clinical experiences, and you will have the opportunity to earn a phlebotomy certification, EKG technician certification, or pharmacy technician certification. As a medical professions student, you will gain a foundation that can open doors for any medical profession you choose to pursue.
Coming here is a great head start. You get to learn some background knowledge, you get to learn some skills. I learned a lot of first aid too, which just makes me feel more confident in life. It's gonna help whatever you do. And so if you go to college and you already have that, it's gonna put you ahead of everybody else.
Did you know that over 1.5 million emergency and non-emergency calls are handled by public safety agencies within Allegheny County each year? Do you have an interest in a career in the emergency service field? The Public Safety Program at Steele Center, CTE, will not only prepare you for an entry-level position in the field of emergency medical services, but introduce you to the basics of firefighting and police work. The program includes instruction in the use of communication devices, radio procedures, homeland security, incident command, pre-hospital emergency medical care, criminal justice, policy procedures, firefighting, and hazardous materials awareness. At the completion of the course, students will have earned a minimum of certification in CPR and Incident Command 100, 200, and 700. Students will also have the opportunity to earn certification in International Trauma Life Support and will be eligible to sit for the National Registry EMT test to become a certified emergency medical technician.
What made me pick the program was ever since I was little, I've always wanted to be in EMS. I've always had a desire to work on an ambulance and just help people any way that I can.
If I had to tell a 9th grader why they should join our class, I would say it's a great learning experience. Even if you technically do not want to go into the field, it can open up so many more doors for you in the future.
Do you want to turn your love and dedication for animals into a career? If you have a sincere devotion to promoting and aiding in the well-being of animals, the Steele Center Veterinary Assistant Program might be for you. Our program prepares students for careers in the veterinary industry as a veterinary assistant. Through classroom and hands-on learning, students develop the knowledge and skills necessary for taking care of cats and dogs in a clinical setting. Students will learn basic components of animal training and grooming. However, this program has a strong medical focus. The curriculum includes animal anatomy and physiology, as well as common diseases of each body system. Students will learn how to care for animals and become knowledgeable about different canine and feline breeds. Understanding typical behavior associated with various species and how to handle animals for different medical procedures are major components of this program. Students will learn animal care skills, such as performing treatments with a focus on animal husbandry. Laboratory skills, such as preparing and setting up for fecal and urinary analysis, will also be a focus, in addition to different aspects of surgical assisting and pharmacology. The skills learned allows our graduates to assist vet techs and veterinarians in daily veterinary care. Workplace skills like teamwork and professionalism are emphasized to prepare students to enter into a veterinary practice. This program not only benefits students that wish to begin their career directly after high school, but will also prepare students that wish to pursue post-secondary education for advanced veterinary roles, such as veterinary technicians or veterinarians. Come join us at the Steele Center Veterinary Assistant Program and learn how to start your career in helping and healing animals.
Ever since I was little, even in middle school, I've always wanted to help animals, and making the decision to come here really changed a lot about me just because of the experience that I've had already in the past couple of months. Every day I go in there and I learn something new that I didn't know before. And it's just like really interesting because you can never stop learning in the veterinarian field.
The welding program provides students with technical knowledge and skills in gas, arc, shielded and non-shielded metal arc, brazing, flame cutting, and plastic welding. Hand, semi-automatic, and automatic welding processes are also included in the instruction. Students learn safety practices and types and uses of electrodes and welding rods, properties of metals, blueprint reading, electrical principles, welding symbols and mechanical drawing, use of equipment for testing welds by ultrasonic methods, and destruction and hardness testing, use of manuals and specification charts, use of portable grinders and chemical baths for surface cleaning, positioning and clamping, and welding standards established by the American Welding Society, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and American Bureau of Ships.
What I like best about welding is if you want a job that's in high demand, and as soon as you get out of high school, if you're not like, say college isn't for you, you don't want to go to college, you just want to get your diploma and get money, then you do welding, things that you would have to pay for in the future, but you get it for free by your home school sending you here.
For a while, I've been wondering and struggling with what I wanted to do after high school. It's showing me like what to be prepared for and teaching me the basics about what I need to know. I like having the idea that I can create anything and there's endless possibilities of what I can do.
Through a special partnership, the school districts of Southern Allegheny County provide students with the opportunity to enroll in 18 different career and technical education programs at Steele Center for Career and Technical Education. Located in Jefferson Hills, Steele Center gives you a competitive advantage in your future. Our courses are taught by talented and accomplished practitioners from within the career field they teach. Our facilities are equipped with the up-to-date technology and equipment that are used in the workforce, and our strong relationships with business and industry partners will give you opportunities to experience the real world while in high school. How it works is simple. You take all of the core subjects in math, science, social studies, English, and other required subjects at your high school, and attend Steele Center for part of your day to study your chosen career major.
The grade you earn at Steele Center is calculated into your high school GPA. You earn credits toward graduation, and you can still participate in all the fun organizations and extracurricular activities, such as sports or band if you wish. But you will also have the opportunity to make friends from other high schools and participate in extracurricular activities unique to Steele Center. You will graduate from high school prepared to enter the workforce and ready to take your place among Steele Center's alumni, who will become industry leaders and business owners. And I almost forgot to mention that you can still go to college, as many of our students do, but you will be more prepared and focused than many of your counterparts.
So what are you waiting for? To learn more, please visit our website or contact us to discuss what it might mean for you to attend Steele Center and begin your pathway to success.